I'm the school counselor here at Sycamore Hills Elementary. My family and I adopted Beatle 7 years ago. We went through Kansas City Pet Partners and got our certification to be a therapy team. We have morning hallway duty, so we are greeting students as they come in the door.
Hey, buddy. Hi, Beatle. Hey, boy.
We get lots of smiles and hi Beatles.
Hi, Beatle.
He just loves to be in the classroom, and every time we went in a classroom, he's just made himself at home next to a group of kids.
Beatle.
He can be a reward, a positive reinforcement for students and for classes, and he can also be a source of unconditional love and calm. He's definitely been a happiness resource for kids.
Good boy, Beatle.
Have a great night.